What is the lens above the flashlight in the camera compartment on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Now this lens right here is the laser autofocus sensor on the back of the phone. It is located just above the flashlight on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So what does it do? It provides a number of functions. It has a fast and accurate focus. The laser autofocus sensor emits a beam of infrared light to quickly and accurately measure the distance between the subject to the subject. This allows the camera to focus incredibly fast, especially in low light conditions or when shooting fast moving objects. It also improves low light performance. The laser autofocus sensor helps the camera achieve faster and more accurate focus in low light environments, resulting in sharper images and videos. Another thing that it can do is to enhance the subject tracking. The laser autofocus sensor assists in tracking moving subjects more effectively, ensuring they remain in focus even when they are moving quickly. So overall, the laser autofocus sensor is a valuable addition to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system, contributing to significantly improve autofocus performance and the overall image quality. So that's it. And if you don't know where it is a sensor helps you take better pictures in low light as well as fast moving object. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.